Hi guys, we are looking at page 24 words example. Our question 9 I'm going to start off with. It asks to find 2 points where y equals 7x minus 2, which hopefully you recognize as a straight line, cuts the curve y equals 6x minus 48 over x minus 5. Now let's not worry about what that's going to look like in any way. Let's just substitute in, see what happens. So basically, what am I going to do? Label those two, and I am going to put substitute 1 into 2. That means wherever I see a y in number 2, I'm going to put all of that information. So I'm going to have 7x minus 2 equals 6x minus 48 divided by x minus 5. Okay, now I'm going to multiply up this whole thing. Remember, if it's dividing by x minus 5, it's the whole thing, it's joined together. So we're going to multiply up by that whole thing. What I'm actually doing is multiplying by x minus 5 on that side, so that that will cancel. If I do it to my right hand side, I need to do it to my left hand side as well. Remember, when I'm timesing the whole left hand side, so I'm just going to add in those brackets. Very, very important. So now I'm going to multiply those brackets out. So I'm going to have 7x squared minus 7x minus 35x, because 5 times 7, and plus 35. Okay, now that is going to equal 6x minus 48. Now what I need to do is get everything onto my left hand side. Basically, what are we looking at? We have created a new parabola, and the x-intercepts of this parabola are going to tell me where these two lines meet. Okay, so they totally, this line, sorry, and this shape, whatever it happens to be. So let's just simplify this. 7x squared minus 7 and minus 35 is going to be minus 42x plus 35. Now I'm going to get all of this onto that side, so minus 6x plus 48 equals 0. So I've just taken this to the other side. So minus 42 minus 6 is minus 48, so 7x, that's a 2 by the way, minus 48x plus 35 plus 48, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 83 equals 0. Okay, so there I have quite an ugly looking parabola, and you can put that into your calculator to work out what the x-intercepts are. So I'm not going to put it into my graphing calculator. I'm just going, well, you can put it into your graphics calculator and you can solve, and that will give you the x values, and then you can substitute those back in to find the y values. Or if you go into Desmos, as we have been doing, and you put in the straight line, which is this red one over here, I'll just show you. I just put in the two equations. Don't forget your brackets. And as you can see, it cuts there and it cuts there. So you can actually have the 2 points. So it's 2, 12, and 4.143, 27. So those are the 2 points where my calculator, where my lines intersect. And if you solve this equation, okay, you should get the intercepts of 2 and 4.143. 2 and 4.143. 2 and 4.14. And substituting those back in will give you the other points. So there are two methods. please use your graphics calculator to do that. I still don't have mine on my laptop and I can't get it till I get back to school. So really sorry about that. And I'm a bit wary of downloading some random thing. Otherwise I'll have a virus and that'll be very bad at this time. So hopefully it was just the substituting in and the getting to this point over here. Maybe that some of you were struggling with. Yeah, and then you just need to substitute those 2 points into your original linear one. So I would put them into this equation here, y equals 7x minus 2. So you'd go y equals 7 times 2 and y equals 7 times 4.143 minus 2. And you should get the two values there, 12 and 27, when you substitute those in. Okay, I'm just going to show you if I had to put my b squared minus 4ac in. So these are, this is a, b, and c. You should obviously get a value that was greater than 0 in your little square root sign. Okay, I'll do the next one in another video. Thank you for watching.